Hi beauties! This is the long awaited, highly anticipated eyebrow tutorial. I know, it took forever, but here it is. Here it is. You guys asked and you have received, okay? So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So right now I'm just brushing through my brows, and you want to make sure that your brows are freshly groomed. So for those of you who don't know, I wax my eyebrows myself. So I'm just making sure that the hairs are in place. If you get them waxed, tweezed, arched, to get the cleanest look, just make sure that they are done. Now there are plenty of products that you can fill in your brows with. For today, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the color Chocolate. I love this stuff, but if you're going to use a pomade, use very little. A little goes a long way. I'm going to use this two-sided angle and spoolie brush to fill in my brows. Okay, so taking the angle side of the brush, I'm going to dip a little into the pomade, and I'm going to start at the middle of my bottom brow. Okay, so at the bottom of my brow, I'm just going to create hair-like strokes to create that bottom line. Now you want to start in the middle because in the beginning your brush is going to have a lot of product. When you get towards the end of your brow, then that's when you can go back to the beginning and put the lesser product in the front. So when you get to the top of your brow, you're pretty much going to do the same thing, only on this part. If you don't have a defined arch, this is where you're going to have to create one. So where I create that arch, I'm going to create the arch, and then I'm going to drag the remaining of the pomade down to the tail end of my brow and fill in. So on the other brow, I'm doing the exact same thing. I'm just going to start in the middle and create hair-like strokes so we can get a solid bottom line for the brow. Now, using the spoolie to brush out the brow is probably one of the most important things. This is going to make sure that you're pushing the product throughout your entire brow and that the product is just not clumped up in one spot. Since you already have the shape of your eyebrow figured out, this is where you take a little bit more product of whatever you're using, powder, pencil, pomade, and you just create hair-like strokes and very slowly fill in the rest of your brow. So with the concealer and the small brush, we're going to go ahead and clean up the eyebrows. So on this part, this is when if you've made any mistakes filling in or trying to create the shape of your brow, that you can go in and kind of erase any mistakes that you made. And this is what's also going to give your brow a more clean and highlighted look. I'm taking a Anastasia brow pencil in the color dark brown, and I'm just filling in the tails of my brows. Taking any blending brush, just go in and blend away any harsh lines from that concealer. The last step is to set your brows. So taking my Benefit Ready Set Brow, I'm going to apply this on both of my eyebrows. This is going to set them. This is going to make sure that the product stays on all day. And this is going to make sure that my brows do not budge. And this is how they look. Of course, right now they look a little bold, but once you put on makeup and everything, you'll be ready to slay all day. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.